Hello, guys. This video will show you how to cancel an order. First, let's learn how to cancel an AliExpress order. Log into DSers dashboard and navigate to Open Orders. Access the AliExpress page. Click the Awaiting Payment tab. Click on the numbers next to Order No on the order card of the order that you want to reorder. You will be directed to the Order Details page on AliExpress. Click on the Cancel Order button to cancel this order. On the Refund page, choose a reason why you want to cancel the order and click Submit. In the pop-up, click Confirm. Once you have canceled the order on AliExpress, the order will be moved to the Cancel tab. You can modify the order and reorder it. To cancel a Tmall order, you can follow the following steps. Log into DSers dashboard and navigate to Open Orders. Access the Tmall page. Click the Awaiting Payment tab. Select the checkbox on the order card of the order you want to cancel. Click Fulfill Orders manually in the navigator bar. In the pop-up, click Mark as Fulfilled. Click Confirm. Once you have fulfilled the order on DSers, the order will be moved to the Full File tab. Now you can access Fulfilled and reorder it. If you have paid for the order that you want to cancel, please contact the DSers support team to solve the problem. To cancel an agency order, you can follow the steps below. Log into DSers and navigate to Open Orders. Access the agency page. Click the Awaiting Payment tab or the Awaiting Shipment tab. Click the checkbox on the order card of the order you want to cancel. Click Cancel Orders manually in the navigator bar. In the pop-up, enter Confirm and click Confirm. Once you have canceled the order on DSers, the order will be moved to the Cancelled tab. You can go to the Cancelled tab to modify the order and reorder it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!